My name is Riley. I am very bored of chasing cats. I need something to do. What shall I do? I could bite someone or eat something, or I can rule the world. And I need to clean the world of all humans and cats. I need to go get the other dogs and eat my tea. But before that I must have a wee.